Hello, hey guys. So I want to show you guys what is the best way to push in back your unit after you install the screen. So first you have to unplug this first and arrange all the wire to push these things to the bottom, because mostly it's this thing to crash and you can't put it back. So you have to push it to the bottom to arrange all the wire. After you arrange all the cable, make sure it's like this. On the bottom, all the cable you are arrange nicely. If you hard to arrange, you can remove the connector first and then you try to arrange, and then in the last part you just plug it back the connector. And these things will sometimes come out and then you can't push it back. This is the main reason. So you get some things like this, the screwdriver, or normally to display you have to remove the glove box, because right now I'm not removed, so you can still able to do it. So from this side, the screwdriver will come into this side, and make sure you press it and you push. So this is the way to put it back the radio.